4 forms of negative self-talk you're probably using. How often do you pay attention to the voices in your head? Throughout the day, we tend to talk to ourselves. Everything we do inspires some form of internal dialogue. The question is just how positive are the things we're saying? When we engage in negative self-talk, we make ourselves absolutely miserable through a constant stream of criticism and self-recrimination. As a result, we hold ourselves back from accomplishing our goals. If you don't think you're engaging in negative self-talk, consider some of these statements and see them for what they are. I'm too blank to get this done. We all have a pet word that fills in the blank. Stupid, lazy, out of shape, old, whatever. It doesn't matter the word we use, and the intent is always the same. If we can convince ourselves we're not able to do something because there's something inherently wrong with us, then in a sense, it's not really our fault when we fail. The problem is eventually we start to believe these words, redefining who we are. It's my fault. Shifting the blame over to ourselves can seem like a way to get out of conflict quickly. The problem is, we get so used to taking the blame that we start apologizing for things that never had anything to do with us in the first place. This constant stream of negativity and living your life as though everything is your fault will keep you from even trying to succeed. It's not like it was going to work. In contrast, when something does go wrong, making a statement of this sort absolves you of all responsibility. It sets you up for accepting failure without ever giving you the ability to learn from the mistake. Eventually, this also keeps you from trying again. After all, why bother? That's not what they meant. When we start analyzing what people say and assuming every compliment is some kind of put-down in disguise, we're telling ourselves the good things said about us can't ever be right. Worse, this has a way of making us feel as though there can't ever be good things about us. So, what do you do to turn the negative into a positive? You start by being aware of what you're actually saying and countering the negativity with a positive thought instead. Eventually, this will become a habit, and the negativity will disappear altogether.